guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Amelia and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a wig unboxing and review. These wigs are from AliExpress. I'll be doing a review as I unpack these, so stick around and let's get straight into this. So these are 14 inches curly wigs. So guys, this is definitely not 14 inches because I've ordered from this company before. First off, this is such a disappointment to me because I've got 14 inches and I'm going to insert what it usually looks like. I mean in terms of height, and this definitely looks at most 10 inches. Anyway, these are water wave wigs. I've ordered from this company before, so this comes as such a surprise to me. So this is what the wig looks like. It's very soft, and I love the curls. These are water wave wigs, so you just need to spray with water and then comb the hair. This is the height of the wig. Definitely this is not 14 inches. In terms of the bounce, it's very good, and this is very good for people that want something that is just a wear and go wig. I ordered 2 pieces and I'm guessing they are both the same height. So this too is the same height as before. These must be around 10 inches. I'm not sure if the seller just made a mistake or if it was intentional. So for these wigs, you just keep combing the curls and the hair will keep getting bigger and bigger. And in case you want something a bit calm, then you just spray. And comb. You can actually tell the difference from this and this. So this wig is a fringe wig. It doesn't have a lace. So basically this is the inside of the wig, and it's a completely glueless wig. Next up, this is from a different seller, and this is so long, guys. I've taken a really long time without ordering 30-inch wigs, so they come as a surprise to me. I got free wig caps with this order. Ooh. Wow. So this is the wig straight out of the box, and one thing that I'm noticing at first sight, the lace is really plucked. A lot of plucking is done on the lace. So the hair comes with a 13 by 4 lace, and then there's an elastic band. So this is the 30 inches wig. This is the front. In terms of height, I really love this wig. As you can see, it's a very good height for the 30 inches, and in terms of softness, it's very soft, and I love its color. This brown is a darker shade than I usually get, so I really appreciate that. And by the way, these wigs are all human hair, and I am not an influencer. I buy these wigs with my own money and then I come and review them for you guys so that you make the right decisions. Anyway, next up we are going to unpackage the 30 inches straight black wigs. I'm really hoping that these ones have maybe a better volume than this, because this is a bit thin for my liking. Wow. So this is the 30 inches black wig instead of brown, and first sight I like this volume a bit better. It's not much different from this, but at least this is much better than this. This lace is more transparent than this lace. As you can see, this lace is a bit more whiter than the previous lace, but as long as you bleach the knots, it will be easy to melt the hair. This is the height of the hair when it's pulled to the front. It's not as thin as the one before, but the volume is not the best. So the lace is a 13 by 4. It comes with an elastic band. In terms of volume, the volume is not so thick as you can see in the videos. This is a 30 inches wig straight from the pack. This is a water wave wig. Is it giving 30 inches? I don't know. But I love how soft the curls are. The comb just goes straight through them. These are water wave wigs. This is the amount of shading. This wig comes with adjustable straps and a 13 by 4 lace. As you can tell, the more you comb these wigs, the bigger the volume gets, and in case you want them more calm, then you just need to spray them with water. This wig can be styled with a middle parting or a side parting, whichever you like. You can bleach the knots in order for a better look. That's all from today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.